engegat el micro i si no engego el micro, pues no, no, sí.
Y el otro, estamos buscando un handover para un suplente equipo finalista.
Hello? Hi?
Hi.
Okay. So,
So-
first of all, sorry to everyone. We know we are late. We have some technical issues. So thank you all for being here, for being so patient. And I know you are all tired, so
We are also tired.
Give yourselves a big round of applause just for being here.
So thank you everyone for this amazing weekend, and we hope you had that much fun as we had. I talked with a lot of you during this weekend, and I know you were really happy. I hope that you were not lying to me. You ate a lot. You ate a lot of things in the cafeteria really fast, I need to say. Yeah.
So yeah, like we had so much amazing feedback from you guys. We're just grateful to you for enjoying so much this event 2 years after the last edition. So yeah, we want to move on to thank you all again, because we had like 120 projects, which is the same as 3 years ago. So it was a really tough process to choose the winners. So we'll try to be quick because we're late.
Yeah, I know we are everyone tired, so let's be quick. Okay, so first of all, we need to thank the UPC and the FIP and the FIS because they are always supporting us year after year.
We also want to thank our sponsors. Thank you, InfoJobs, Mundimoto, I Think UPC, Bungie, HP, Huawei, McKinsey & Company, ResBI, Twilio, and Capchase, because without you guys, this wouldn't be possible either.
And our partners that you ate really fast, Zanui, Free Rabbits, Domino's, Haribo, Artiac, Quetara, Pura Fruta, the Official College of Engineering Informatics, Ili, and DigitalOcean.
So yeah, now let's introduce our judges. It's a panel of 5 judges, and first is Karina Givert. She is Dones Coim, President and Vice Dean for Equity and Ethics at Catalonia's Official College of Informatics Engineering. Big round of applause, everyone.
Second, we have Rael Garcia, Senior Site Reliability Engineer at Red Hat. A big applause.
Our third judge is Oscar Romero. He is a postgraduate and master's studies and vice dean here at the Barcelona School of Informatics.
Next, Ricard Soler, Senior Software Engineer at Datadog.
And last but not least, we have Shannon Sullivan. She's a senior software engineer at GitHub. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for coming here.
Okay, so let's move on to the demos. First up is the team with the project named Reaching the Unreachable.
Big applause.
El micro és aquest? Sí.
L'HDMI?
Sí.
Per connectar l'ordinador?
Teniu lo del DNI? Sí, sí.
No, no, gràfiques.
Hem de ser super cronometrats amb el temps. Si veiem que esteu acabant i us queden 10 segons, us deixarem acabar en 10 segons. Però hem de tallar perquè si no sé...
Que són 3 minuts. Més un?
Sí, en alguna cosa.
Com sé que s'està veient?
No, solo 5. O sea, son los finalistas. Son los finalistas de todos los que hemos hecho, sí. Y de los finalistas se escogen los 3 ganadores.
No, luego se lo saben que tiene.
Vale, luego yo. Sí. Os hemos avisado. Por eso hemos tardado tanto, porque nos falta lo que hacemos.
Bueno, i quan tu diguis...
Y era o buscarlo o seguir con él.
Ens posem aquí o al mig? Vale. Hello everyone, we are reaching the unreachable. Ever thought about trying to reach something you're not able to reach? Or imagine yourself trying to monitor like an arm robotics in the distance? Or even playing yourself without like a joystick? Well, we try to solve all these things, and we are reaching the unreachable, and we try to merge robotics with machine learning and AI.
Okay, so in order to do so, we wanted to do an electromyogramic approach, which is basically reading the signals from the muscle. So as you can see in my hand, we have two pairs of electrodes and references. So these electrodes are for the biceps, and this one's for the triceps. So depending on how you move your hand, you can control this robot, as you can see in this video. So I'm moving my hand, I'm twisting it, I'm curling it, and I'm doing 4 different moves in order to move the robot, okay, as you can see. So,
Okay, so we have like 4 different movements and a robot to be moved. So how we do that? Well, we have used artificial intelligence models, specifically machine learning ones, and what we have done are 2 different approaches. The first approach is to create our own database. Using the electrodes that he has, we have recorded 200 rows, which mean 4 movements. And the second approach is to use an online dataset. This dataset, instead of being only 1 person, were 36 persons. We are talking about 800 rows. Okay, what are the differences of those 2 approaches? With our own dataset, speaking of some numbers, we have an accuracy of 98%. This is really, really big. Why is that huge? Well, it's not because of overfitting, but it's because of the fact that it's only 1 person that has recorded data in a specific moment of time. So it's not valid for a general purpose, and that's why we have used the internet database. But it was a way for us to show that we are able to record the data and train the model. So with the online database, with all the 36 patients, we have an accuracy of 87%, which in fact is really good. And this difference, it's not that wrong. If we were talking about a medical situation, maybe that would be a problem, but in this case, if you make a mistake, it's not that big problem.
And last but not least, we also wanted to have some fun, and we tried to define like some game. Imagine yourself, instead of having like a joystick, playing yourself with a robot, putting your hands what Ali has, and trying to make some movements like this. So we tried to mimic that on this game. We did it with our colleague Juanda. He's not right now here because he has COVID and he's confined at home, but we worked together, the 4 of us. And so basically,
No, so basically what you have on your right is the server that is being run, and what is using are the outputs of the model. And the outputs of the model are the ones that are controlling the avatar in the screen. So thank you all for listening to us.
Question. This is working only on sensors on the arm and only like reproducing movements of an arm, or they could be transferred, for example, to control a leg or something else?
yeah, they can be used for any part of the body that has muscle. So you can use it for the leg, for the arms, and also for the eyes. I mean, if you put the electrodes in, for example, on the upper part of the eye and the left and right parts of the eye, you can move the avatar by looking, depending on where you are looking at.
Thank you.
So yeah.
How much is the cost of the interface between the cathodes they have in the arm and the computer? So how expensive must be an interface like that with this kind of device, or it's an Arduino, it's something that can be like really cheap to implement and distribute?
Yes, well, the robot cannot be seen, but inside this box, what we have basically is an Arduino and the electromyograms that are really small, so I don't know, 50 euros at max, so cheap.
Yeah, the electromyograms are 15 euros, more or less. So, and the Arduino, well, you know.
Is this your first project working with robotics or machine learning?
No, in fact not. But what is true, I mean, we all have backgrounds. He's biomedical one, well, he's civil engineer and I'm electronics also. But we needed, it's not that we had that background and we could build this easily, because we had really huge problems. Yesterday, maybe we spent like 10 hours trying to send data from Python to Arduino. I mean, seems really simple, but in fact, no words, it's horrible. So we had problems. Hasn't been an easy path.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so the next project, House Match Fit Raspberry Pi. Please, come to the stage. A big applause. Ara competi una risa,
I que havíem de fer, sí.
Ara ben capetito, t'imagines?
Podia gravar?
No, no, no.
Ah, vale.
Sí, ells ja havien tornat tot el hardware. Connecto?
Que no peti.
El micro.
Aquest se sent? Ah, val. Sí. Bueno, em presentes?
Good afternoon. We are House Match, and we develop an app to, well, it's like a swiping app to enhance the experience that it can have to find a house or some flat. And we really didn't improve any platform, because this type of platform, we think that it doesn't really exist. And it's like an innovative thing, as it's like a fun way to be able to learn what the user wants and to personalize the experience so that we can find the best match for our users.
Yes. So the problem we identified, as my colleague said, is that real estate sometimes can be kind of boring, honestly. And moreover, with the online platforms, you can apply filters, but it can be a really long and tedious process to find a good fit for your preferences. So with the challenge that was introduced to us, we had this idea just to make it like a game, like a funner way. I'm sure that the interface looks similar to a really big tech known app. Won't mention them because they don't pay us. But yes, the good thing here is that we developed a machine learning model that actually learns while you are swiping. So the more you use our software, the better it gets. It's all like scalable. We work with linear algorithms, so big data can be passed through that without any problem. And now the main feature that we have is not the swiping one, it's the predictions one. Now you will see it's really cool. So with the training that you give to the model by swiping, we do a feature extraction based in the Raspberry AI API, which gives us lots of categorical values. Then we pass them through a really complex and long algorithm, which we won't get into it because we have limited time. But you can check the code if you want. And we just take the categorical values, turn them into numeric, and pass them through our model, which is random forest. Pre-trained, obviously, because we didn't have much time. And this model gives us like a probability list for the best matches, having extracted what we like in a very generic way. We are not looking into with algorithms. It's the model that extracts the features for us. So then, for example, this is the property that has the best fit with the training that we gave it to him. And if you click, hope it works, and we have Wi-Fi, yes. You get a link to Fotocasa, for example, where you can check the price, you can contact with the owner, you can check like a more detailed description, and you are already on website. So you have ended up in the same point that you would end with the normal Fotocasa path, but in a more fun and personalized and dynamic way. So that's mainly our project. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you. Very interesting.
If you have any questions, we'll be glad to answer them, as long as they are
Hello,
nice
just
questions.
one question. I understood that you extract the features from the images, right? So are you also considering other interesting features, like the position, the location of the apartment, or how easy would it be to include it, other kind of non-visual features that might be interesting?
Yes. So first of all, we scraped those features, okay? But then we got blocked from the web because we are scraping so much, and we got a block access. So we changed our approach because we didn't have time to rethink the scraping. So the solution we found is saying, okay, we cannot work right now with those features, so let's fix them. Okay, let's fix the location, let's fix the price range, and assume that we have like configs where you can put the fixed values, and let's assume that we have that, and let's work with them fixed. So in this version, with the time we had, they are fixed. It's working with the data from Barcelona, from the Pedralbes and Sarrià neighborhoods, which are fancy and nice houses, in a quite expensive price range.
Did you want to say? If you could pick one thing that you would add to what you're doing, what is one feature that you didn't get around to that you would have liked to implement?
We made like a list. It would be hard to pick one, but we would like to implement some kind of bigger model which didn't only consider one person's data, but could generalize to like niches of persons. For example, we can focus on people with a lot of money that we can get like a good profit from them, and make like a huge model that does not work for one people, but like for one cluster of people. So if we had more time, I think that a nice thing to implement would be bigger models, bigger machine learning models, but applied to certain clusters that we could identify.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you very much. Really interesting project. Oh, so next demo will be real estate price predictor based on computer vision. Thank you. Big round of applause.
En la mochila. ¿Cómo era, man? 81.20.
¿Tenéis un micro? ¿Tenéis el micro?
Good afternoon. Now we are going to introduce our project. Our project was born because of the challenge that one company, ResBI, introduced us. It's like a company that joins artificial intelligence and the real estate world. So let's imagine you have a home at the country you prefer. Now you go to your garden, for example, or to the street, and you take a photo of the frontal of your house, one bathroom, one bedroom, and the kitchen. Then you introduce the postal code, the square meters of your house, with all of these tests, you have the price of your house. This is what we have done. I'm going to explain. We use the API of the ResBI company, and then we search at the internet some data sets. So we make a program of artificial intelligence, implemented in a web, and on this program, you have that this program receives all the data set, and with all of these, the 4 pictures and more things, it calculates the real price, the estimated price of your house. And then we are going to see a demo of this. We have the start button, and when you push it, you will have all the things to introduce. It's a bit difficult to push the button. Okay, and now you have 4 blanks. It will be Urs. We cannot upload the photos because of the way that the API of ResBI is implemented. It's necessary to have links, not local photos on your disk. Then you put the link of 4 photos, 4 images, and you have to introduce the number of bedrooms, square meters, and the postal code. And then I have to comment one thing, because we have a big problem with the web. So when we push the button of calculate the price, it has a problem and doesn't shows the real price. It will be shown on the terminal. So it works, but on the terminal, the final solution. Wait for a moment, please. Now in the terminal, you can see the price. It is, yeah, this is the estimated price of the house we have chosen. Now my friend Alex is going to explain, well, to mention some of the techniques used to deal this problem.
Now we are going to explain all the technologies that we use in the page to design the backend, from the front end, and finally the train model and all of our data sets. We search in Google for data sets of houses, images, and prices, which is very difficult. It's like we only found like 4,000 images and features, and it was very difficult to train the model.
Okay, guys, we are running out of time. I'm super sorry. Let's go to the questions of the judge, please.
Can you tell us what you were going to say? Can you finish? Can you tell us what you were going to say? Use your 2 minutes.
I train a 3D decision model with the scikit-learn. Also, we have the future structures from the REST-B API. We have 4 ratings for every image. So we have to train and decide the prices using that ratings. Now, well, after, use the backend with Flask and the frontend classic like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS.
A quick question. What is your background learning models? So it's the first time you were learning models from an application?
Yes, it's our first project outside of university. We are currently in third, and we haven't touched any deep learning and machine learning outside of the university.
When you find out that it was hard to find a data set with images and prices, it's not easy to scrape. For example, Idealista, Fotocasa, you have both a data set of images and prices. Did you try to get a data set from an existing website?
We have to try a famous immobiliary page in Spain, API, but we couldn't get the access to it, so we have to use a data set that we found in GitHub, like 10 years old.
Thank you very much, guys. And congratulations. Okay, the next one, iTeacher. Okay, guys, I'm going to put a chrono, so this time, please, be fast.
Vale, perfecte. Sí, perfecte. Sobra.
Okay, good afternoon. We're iTeachers, and our project is based on the idea that since we all are related in some way or another to the educational environment, we thought that there's a great need of new tools and innovative tools related to like ways that we can make the teachers have less work. So we thought that a good way to implement that is to help the teachers grade equations for high school students. So our project gets the input of one student exercise and not only tells if it's correct or it's not, but also where is the mistake and what kind of mistake it was. So yeah, it's implemented on this kind of images. My colleague now is going to explain to you how it works.
So our web has 2 input places. You can submit a static photo from your computer, or you can submit live and put an equation here. So when you submit the file, it's loading. But when you submit the file, it goes through an API that detects each step that is on each line, and it doesn't matter if it's upside down or if it has something that is not supposed to be there. But it gets all these steps, and it writes them down here, step 0, 1, 2, 3. And it writes the solution for the equation. And then, that's the important feature of our website. It tells you where the mistake was made. And here it was from from the step 0 to step 1 and was sending the -5 to the other side without changing the sign. So here it says error changing sign, and then you can import another equation and try again. So how it works is we developed like a code that detected which was the error from the most common errors that kids make when doing this. So it detects the error, and it prints here which one is it and where it was made in the equation.
And that's it. We hope you like it.
Just the first question, if you don't mind. I guess that you are using an equation solver here behind the scenes, right?
Sorry, can you?
So the equation solver.
Excuse me, can you repeat or talk louder, please?
Sure. I'm asking about the equation solver that you are using behind the scenes, because I guess that you are translating this and using an equation solver, no? Which one are you using?
Yeah, we use SymPy, but actually it only solves the equation in one step, but the challenge was to find where was the mistake the student made. So we checked for all the steps whether the solution was still the solution of this step, and when that was no longer true, then we have to extract from that step which was the mistake compared to the last step. So we built like an algorithm to find exactly what kind of mistake based on a classification that we made from all the linear equations. So each type of equations have like certain types of mistakes that we prototype kind of, and yeah, it finds it.
So it's somehow introducing expert knowledge in this reasoner, no? You are using a finite set of mistakes that you told to the system.
Yeah,
okay,
exactly.
But actually, it's a fixed set of mistakes, but it requires the student to make one change per step. So I think, well, actually, it's going to be a case where it's all wrong, and so ask for a professional aid. But yeah, the basic kinds of mistakes, the more popular ones are the ones that the program finds.
Can you explain briefly the stack you used to build this tool?
The framework, right? The framework. Yeah, we use Flask. Yeah, it was named Flask.
And the machine learning part?
And the machinery part, we use MathPix, the API.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. So, now, last but not least, let's welcome Join to the stage. Join? Okay, there you are. A little bit louder, please, come on.
Okay, hello everyone. Our project is centered to join person in events, like here, like in HackUPC. Yes? We have the idea to make a game that can union people in real life. Okay? We can have a mobile, we can play, but we need to join these people. Okay, the idea. See? Okay, the idea is see, it's like a game. It's simple. No register, no login. Simply, you enter an application, you see a button that says play. That can be more simple, impossible. Okay, if my partner can, it's difficult. Okay, not like the game. Okay, when you enter to play, there we are. Okay. Okay, please, when you enter in play, you will see a form that asks you a simple description of you. Okay, like me. I'm Ivan, I'm having a purple t-shirt, I have glasses, and I play to the game. And the application starts, inserts me in a queue that will match with other person will play the game at the same time as me. Okay? If you can? Okay.
No more. In the moment I match with other people, I will see a screen that says me, you are paired with a person who has a blue t-shirt, who wears jeans, and the idea is to join you in this event. And if you see the other people, you can speak in real life with them, and that's the idea. And I don't know if the... Okay. Now it's searching for other people who is playing, and if I can... Okay? Yes? Okay, that's the match. You have a match with people who wears clothes, purple glasses, and they have the pin 43345. And you have to introduce the code of the other people when you see. Yes? You can? Okay, that's very difficult to show, but you have 4 minutes to meet the other people, and this zero can be the meters of the people you are. You are in the same PC, 0 meters. And no more. That's all. Thank you. If someone have any questions, any...
What did you feel was the most challenging part of, given your experience and what you know, what was the most challenging part of doing this?
The hardest part? The hardest part is to make the match, to make the queue. But you have to stay in a server and all the requests in order. But that's difficult. You don't know the user when make a request. Okay, and that's the difficult part, to make a synchron and have the correct date in correct time. Yes?
Is the matching random?
No. Okay, no, it's random. Actually, yes. But actually, yes. Yes, the matching is random, but is with other people is near you, like 500 meters.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now let's move on. Let's move to a very interesting part. We are going to start giving out the sponsor prizes. So, welcome on stage. Our first sponsor to announce their challenge winner will be Huawei. Please come onto the stage.
No shaking. Uy.
Hello, everybody. How are you? It's okay? Okay, so I'm from Huawei. I first want to thank you all for being here, okay? And let's announce the winners. Well, we have several applications and projects, but we have to select anyone, okay? So let's start with the third prize, okay? The third prize is the group called HackUPC. Oh, these are broken. Oh. Okay.
Se los das tú y nos hacemos una foto.
You have 4 Band 6, Huawei Band 6. Okay.
Let's take a picture all together, okay?
Okay, thank you, congratulations. The next one, the second place, well, in this case, is Soft Ice. You have won Free Buds Pro.
They are not here?
They don't want the prize. Soft Ice?
They are not here. We
Not
will
here.
contact them.
Okay, so
If you are seeing us in YouTube, send us a message in Slack.
okay, thank you. And last, but the first prize is for Louis Lang. Congratulations. You have won a GT2 Pro, well, 2, and 2 FreeBuds Studio Pro. So, good prizes. No, no te preocupes.
Si quieres, ahora nos ponemos nosotros ahí.
Vale. For you, and you can share, okay? Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Congratulations, everyone. Next one on stage, InfoJobs.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Victoria, and I'm a product marketing manager of InfoJobs. Today, we had a lot of interesting solutions presented to us, and we think that a lot of them could have a business value in our company. We would like to invite the 3 best ideas to come to our offices to present it for the rest of the InfoJobs team as well. And let's go to the prizes. So for the 3rd prize, the winners will get an Amazon gift card of 50 euros. And yeah, the winners are Git Jobs. And for the 2nd prize, we would like to present Instant Jobs. And they will be winning a streaming kit. For the winner, they will be winning a drone with a camera, so really cool prize. And the winner is... espera, perdón. GeroHacks. Okay, thank you to everyone. And if you want to find an IT job, you know where to find a job in InfoJobs. Actually, in InfoJobs, every 30 seconds, there is close to contract. So it's a lot of job opportunities. Thank you.
Okay, so next up, we'll be presenting, welcome HP to the stage.
Thank you, guys. I hope you had an amazing weekend. So for our VR challenge, the winners are VR collaborators, which are composed by Marta Let-Puig and Jordi Alfonso Poza. Just by unfortunate logistics, events, and karma of life, our headsets will come tomorrow. This is what it is, right? But guys, we will recompense it with something else too, right?
Thank you very much, and congratulations. Okay, congratulations to all the winners and all the participants. Okay, next one on stage, Mundimoto.
Hi, everyone. Can I ask you for a big round of applause for the organizer that has been doing an amazing job during the weekend? Yeah. And also thank you for all the hackers and the ones that have been coming to our challenge. It was amazing for us to see a lot of people coming to us in our first year. So most probably next year we need to be here in order to make it bigger. But you know, in order to get to the good stuff, now the best prizes that you are going to see in this event, with the second prize, we have a team with a terrible name that is Mundimoto System Recommender and Mundimoto AI Prize Suggestor, with Julien, Arnau, Pascual, and Miquel. I hope that you are a little bit strong because this thing is really heavy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
No, amazing job. Come on, guys. It's not that heavy. And now our prize for the best ones. It was amazing to see this project. To be honest, it has been difficult to select, all the ones, but for this one, we were anonymous about the winner, and it's Scoot. Come on. Do you remember our first prize is an iPad? And also a lot of people have been asking for these amazing t-shirts that are exclusive for this event, so you are going to get also one of them. Felicidades. Un buen curro. No, a vosotros. Encantado. Me lo llevo, Thank you, everyone.
So, next up, the next prize giving sponsor will be McKinsey & Company. Welcome.
Hello, everyone. So, first of all, thank you, everyone, for this amazing experience. Thank you for all the weekend. Thank you to UPC, to all the participants, and to all the organizers. Here in McKinsey, it's been really hard to choose a winner. We had a lot of good participants. Finally, we selected the participants with the most complete deliverable. They had like really good insights, a really good modeling approach, and a final presentation. If you remember, the price of our challenge is a 3-day trip in a European city. So the team that will be soon traveling around Europe is Gomet.
Enhorabona, nois. Okay, the next one, I think UPC. I think they had a lot of work today.
Hello, everyone. So after 36 hours of coding, we have a lot of submissions, 40 exactly. And it was really, really difficult to choose the winners. But so the third prize.
The third prize is for Hack the Maze.
Okay, and the second place is for Lo Pibe. Molt bé, enhorabona, nois.
And finally, the first winner is for Numberless. Ens heu de contactar. Us envieu aquí, vale? I ja està. Congratulations. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you very much. So, next to present will be ResBI. Welcome to the stage.
Hey, hackers, or may I say zombies? So we've had a lot of projects in our challenge, and I gotta say that we're really grateful. They were amazing. We are really grateful about your creative and mind-blowing ideas, but sadly we can only pick one winner. So the winner is... ResBI AI 3D. Us anem als altres. Agafeu-lo, ara us anem als altres. Això per aquí us el conec, val? Vale, sí, perfecte.
Okay? No? No va. Vale, okay. Okay, next one is CAPTCHA. Direct problems, you know.
Hello. So, first, special mention for 3 teams that they earned the honor of Charlie, the team that disrupted every single player that played the game. The special mention for the team that wrote 60,000 characters code to run this game. And for the other team that wrote their own multiplication, because probably the key was broken. So the winner of the CAPTCHA challenge is...
Tiny bit small. It is still running? Actually, the third one.
So, third place for El Terrible. Doesn't seem he's here. Or... Okay, also, for the ranking, we use machine learning as well. No, actually not. We use just a mean. So, second prize.
I also want to highlight that the people that actually wrote
their multiplication code, also managed to break the interpreter several times, and they made me raise the limits like 3 times in a night. So the second place, which I also think is not here, is Victor DB. Oh, he is here!
Okay, so for the first position, only by 8 points, is Florin Yonut Husum. And the prize is a 3D printer.
Que cadascú es queda una peça.
Thank you very much for participating in the challenge. It was a great hackathon experience for us too.
Tell them they can watch the game. So you can watch the game. We'll send the link. It's a pretty fun one, pretty intense one. Thank you all.
Okay. So, this is not working again. Okay. Let's go to the HackUPC prizes. Okay, one moment, I need to check it. Okay, you will have these amazing trophies. For the third prize, let's do a bit of, okay. iTeacher. Això. Agafa el per sota, que es trenca. Congratulations.
So, for the second prize, we have some amazing Idea 22 drones, and the team to win the second prize will be Join.
Són dos. Quants sou en l'equip?
Som 3, som noies.
Vale, després us donem l'altre, vale? Felicitats. So, congratulations. And the first prize, now yeah, a big one. The first prize, after 36 hours of coding, reaching the unreachable. Ah, sou 4.
No, saps l'amic que és?
Really impressive also with COVID, so really a big applause. So now?
Now, remember, we had a special category this year. We collaborated with our friends at Junction, who gave us the idea to have one lucky team be accepted into the main event of Junction 2022. So this team, we've chosen it because we thought that they were really deserving. They had the hacker spirit, and they really, really, really deserve to be in this event. So, I don't have the name.
Yeah,
It's the El Juego de la Vida 2.0. Thank you. Welcome to the stage.
You are going to Finland. Really a big applause for they that they are going to Finland. Congratulations. Okay, so now it's time for the game. The game is easy, I think.
Hey, hackers. As we said before, the game this time is back, and it's back stronger.
Stronger than ever. I mean, not even a single hacker was able to finish the whole game. I'm sure that a lot of you are going to be still dreaming about that RCA problem. Yeah. However, However, there's a bunch of them that were able to resolve 7 of them, the real G's. So please come here, all of you, the ones that solved the 7 ones.
Ela.
Muchas gracias. Bueno.
No dien talles. Y ahora... Go ahead. So we didn't have a finisher that ended the game, but we did have someone that finished the 7 challenge faster than anyone else, and that's Radio Cónica. Congratulations. Here's your prize. Your prize?
Yep. Actually, you have a... Well.
Yeah, you have a prize.
That's a special prize for the first one, which is one of the Bibles for security experts. So I will hope that you will enjoy it a lot. Yeah. Please, a round of applause. Yeah. Fotico. Sí.
Okay. Nice. Thank you. I know we are all tired, and I want to say only Thank you for coming. Thank you for participating. Thank you for enjoying, and thank you for the incredible projects you've made, right, Eric?
Yeah, like we've been saying it all weekend. We were just really emotional throughout all these days because it's been 2 years. It's been really hard times for us at HackUPC. So having the chance to be with you this weekend, have so much positive feedback, it means the world to us. So I think
we have a tradition now, so let's take a selfie.
Okay.
So let's go, everyone, to
Get
the
a little
middle,
bit
because
together,
I have not
please.
a long arm.
Yeah, so.
Oh, sí? Ah, no, not bad.
¿Cómo fue?
No estarem guapíssims. Okay, and when we are doing the picture, we will say, dream it, hack it, and ship it, okay? And I will record it also.
Okay, so, espera.
Sortiu.
See? So, to the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Dream it, hack it, ship it!
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
and go
thank
to
you.
sleep, please.
That's it, right? See you next year. See you whenever
next
we
year.
make everything else. Yeah.